Are you giddy for golden tones? Or do icy blondes got you hot? Introducing Keracolor's Toning Drops. Keracolor's Toning Drops turn any shampoo, conditioner, or cream-based styling product into a toner. These new and unique drops can be left in the hair or rinsed out. Keracolor's Toning Drops can also be added to any Color Plus conditioner to create endless possibilities for custom cocktails. In these pictures, you can see that 4 custom colors were created by simply mixing the gold and violet drops in with our ever so loved Color Plus conditioner. These toning drops are great for anyone that is platinum blonde all the way to brown. For subtle toning, we suggest using 1 to 3 drops. For deep toning, we suggest using 3 to 8 drops. And for extreme toning, we suggest 4 to 10 drops. Here is a quick glimpse of my model's hair prior to the process. After completing a root touch-up at the back bar, I mixed a few pumps of conditioner with 8 pumps of the violet toning drops. I worked the product through her hair to make sure it was evenly saturated. Our drops are keratin infused to help rebuild hair from the inside out, packed with coconut and castor oils to provide hydration, strength, and moisture while sealing damaged cuticles. On towel-dried hair, I decided to kick it up a notch and add a few drops to my cream-based styler. As you can see, while working the product through her hair, the violet melts into the hair beautifully and giving it just a bit more of the icy white she desired. After 10 minutes, not only was my model's hair toned to a beautiful snow white, but she was also cleansed and conditioned all in one step. Simply genius. Enhance pigments or neutralize unwanted tones while adding a boost of pigment and shine. Not only are Keracolor's Toning Drops a must-have for your back bar, but retail these bad boys to your guests to ensure their blondes stay icy and their golden stay warm. For more tips and tricks or color inspiration, follow us on Instagram at Keracolor Hair.